Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Canva and creating a custom-sized document. Pick 18x 24 inches or a pixel equivalent. Once done, upload your 2-4 high-resolution photos and organize them in an Uploads folder so you can access them quickly. Make sure to set a primary color palette now and choose 2 complementary fonts, one bold display for the headline and a clean sans serif for supporting text. This keeps visual hierarchy clear from the start. Next, place your hero image in a large frame and align it using Canva's grid. Lock the layer once the composition feels balanced. Then apply a subtle color overlay or linear gradient to the image to raise text contrast. This improves legibility by roughly 20 to 40%. Once that's set, add your headline, subhead, and call to action, arranging them with consistent spacing, using the ruler and 16 grid increments, so the eye naturally moves from headline to details. To finish, proofread every line and verify color contrast against accessibility standards. Adjust weight or background if needed. When you export, choose PNG for digital use or PDF print with 300 dpi and CMYK settings for professional printing. If your final poster appears blurry, make sure the source images are 300 dpi and not upscaled. Replace any low-resolution photo or reduce print size. If alignment shifts, use the undo history and relock layers, then export again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.